We'll guide you through how to make a bed in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And just quickly, if you need a Minecraft server, then make sure you check out Apex Hosting. You can play with your friends 24/7. There'll be a link down below which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. So, it is important to note that you can go and find beds in Minecraft. You can find them in villages and igloos. However, if you want to go and make one, here's how. First of all, you're going to need 2 logs of wood, so find a tree and break it. Once you've got 2 pieces of wood, now you're going to need wool, and you can get wool from sheep. You've got 2 options, either you can kill the sheep and they'll drop wool, or you can go and shear them. To go and shear them though, you'll need 2 iron ingots to go and get shears. Once you've got shears, then just right click the sheep and they'll go and drop wool, just like this. And it is important to note that the colour of the wool you have will reflect the colour of the bed. So I've got white wool, so I have a white bed, but you can go and dye the sheep or you can go and dye the wool. But now open your inventory by pressing E, then go and place in the oak logs and click on the planks. Then go and craft a crafting table with 4 planks and then go and place it. Right click it, and then what you need to do is go and put 3 oak planks down like that. And then you go and put 3 bits of wool down like so, and you've now got a bed. It's that simple. You can then go and place it. At night, you can then go and sleep. But as you can see, I've now gone and set my respawn point by clicking on it like so. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.